Good morning everyone. Myself Suman Dutta from Siliguri, West Bengal. I am pursuing my Bachelor of Technology in the reputed Department of Civil Engineering from Siliguri Institute of Technology, Siliguri. In this video, I will discuss about the foundation design of 23rd story building using SAFE 2016. This video is basically created for the purpose of my project title as Foundation Design Project Assignment for Skyfi Labs online course. This video is not created for commercial purpose, it is created for educational purpose only. This is a 23rd story of building we designed at ETEPS 2016. And section specification column size 500 to 500 and 600 to 600, and material specification M40 grade of concrete and HYHD 500. And ETEPS software actually column names and given shares, also dead load and live load, and material properties each column. We can see the already defined all of them and model. So go to the define menu and see to the ritual HD5840 already defined. So here I can check all of them. Okay, next to go to the slab properties, and here we can modified property. So I modified the by 800 actual difference between them. Okay, that it is done. So next go to the define menu. There you can see the column properties. There are two columns, which is 500 by 500 and 600 by 600, and column materials are M14. Next go to the load cases, and load cases are dead and live load. And next go to the load patterns, and both are dead load and live load. Go to the load combination. Here I can two types of combination, which is ultimate load combination, that the dead and live load 1.5 both, and the combination is there are static combination, which is both dead and live load each one. So then go to the define menu and recycle soil properties 1, and we can see the values in here on the project. So everything is defined in here. So I two way of column stick, both A and direction, B direction. So material properties are 4 meter. So how to draw the strips? Draw to the draw it. Here we can see the strip value. Then change this the strip value in draw it. Both you are the passing center of this column. Okay. Here you can see the point, center point of the column, the values of point load like dead load and live load specify in here, which one is before, and I can find the values, the ETEPS software, and clicking all of them, say the values of the dead load and live load specify in there. And in the footing soil properties are specified, which you can insert early. So now is every properties are slabs stripped. You can just reverse materials by HYHD 500. Go to the analysis and click on in it, then the model of the analysis, and by default there is deformation. So then wait for some times. Go to the run analysis again. Here you can see the punching share design, and by clicking here you can all the members are crosses the values 0.1. This is not in slab, so have to change the slab properties by changing the thickness, which is changed before. I just type the 1200 and here check the burn analysis and wait for some time. Then again run analysis. Then go to the show the punching shares, and that's it. We can find all the values are less than 1, so we can save now. So next go to the display menu and click the strip forces. So I can check the result, and then the results are shown in here. Stripped load cases, both the layer is A and B, and can see the values from here. This is for the dead load, change it, live load, and for moment, torsion and axial, everything. So I check them all just to show you the result. Okay, go to the display menu, click on show slab properties, and here you can see the maximum reinforcement and also the reinforcement. It is the layer A and layer B, and we can see the value is here. Lower values and different. You can also find as layer B here. This is the BLD1 intensity footing. So this is the cracks by dead load and live load, all the footing, and we can see the small dots and colors and different. So this is the for the slab portal phase for the dead load, and find also the slab dot phase dot dead load, and the values are showing in the side, and we can find it live load, and this is the small values. There is then another deformation of shell which can be shown with the previous, so we can run an analysis by default. Now go to the display menu and click on direction each column, so we can find out of each column, and we can see the forces of the showing the forces in here. So just click the moment, we can find the results in here. So there is no values in each direction, so says to the values and x direction. You can see the center point of the column and the moment section arrived. For the dead load, you can also find it is value. Just live load, see the apply. Okay, as so shown table, and here you can find all members passed on here. Okay, this is the site, and here you can find the statistic. All the statistics are okay. Each order okay. You can change the value, find also the thickness of the footing. So everything is done in here. and run detailing, we can find out detailing value of this footing. Then click on OK, and from sometimes here you can see the detailing value of the footing. Here you can show the river materials of the column for both top and bottom, and this is the values. And now for the materials, and you can see by just the zooming out by the values of river material, also for the bottom material, and all of them we can see the river materials is used in the footing, which is for pure designing the footing. This is the side view, and here upwards is an column, but because this is the footing design, and the response profile you can find it. Where is the column is here, the response when quality is higher. Okay, just now this is the bar mark dia of the material, cut of length, number of the materials, total length, everything is the found in here. The total detailing of the river materials option is seen. Here you can see the river schedule, and this is the total estimate for bird size and length of the size and weight of the material for each dia. Here is a general note M14. The river shaped codes are for different sections shown here. This is the beam materials, top bar and forward bottom bar, and here we can find actual design of the river materials. Here we can hear this is the all of different types of different kind of values and detailing part, and you catch all of them in a drawing sheet. Here you can see the drawing sheets. This is because the evaluation of person is printed. Okay, I forget to show you something, and it's it in here in footing, so I like to show the actual strip in value and length of the strip. And another interesting thing, in the 3D view, just you can see it show the footing, and it is clearly visible. So by the extrude view, you can see the footing extrude or also column which are laid down on the footing, reaching loose imaging that this is it. You can see the moment intensity, different column and different section. This is the material column. You can see the moment intensity of so high in there. And next I can show you you already shown the river intensity A and B direction of different footing. This is the river details of the footing and the river intensity of the footing and the a direction, and this is the restored view of the voting.
Thank you for watching for this video.